Today we are going to learn how to create a EC2 instance in AWS. So first let's get started. So come to console.aws.amazon.com and then select your region from here and search EC2 virtual servers in the cloud. So we have currently 2 instances running in our this location, Mumbai location. So in which location you have to create your instance, select that location from here. So let's go to instance and then launch instance. So create your name of the instance you are going to create. So let's name it test 1 and select your machine from here. So we are going to select Ubuntu and then we are going to select architecture 64-bit x86 and then this is a free tier eligible T2 micro. So it have 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM and we can select memory from here. It's 8 GB memory and you can create a security group or select an existing group from here. So if you create a security group, you can select anywhere from here to allow SSH traffic. So SSH mean you can log in to your EC2 from anywhere, and you can select allow HTTP traffic from the internet and also the HTTP traffic from the internet. So you can allow traffic from anywhere from the internet. So this is here, and also if you want to log in from your PC, you need a key pair value, so you can create from here. So mostly we use the RSA and .pem file, and you can enter key pair this way. So you have to select create key pair and then select from here. Also you can select the instance type from here. So we are going to use T2.micro and we are all set to go. You don't have to go into advanced details from now, and you can select how number of instance you want to deploy. So this is the information about our EC2 instance. So it is Ubuntu EMD64 and you can create on the launch instance to create your EC2 instance. So when you create your instance and it should be here like test1, you can click on instance ID and connect on that to go into the machine. That's how you can go into your machine. So you should run sudo apt update, and this is Linux by the way. So that's all.